Hello friends, this discussion is on feature scaling and on a comparative study between the two most popular technique of the feature scaling, standardization, which is also known as Z-score normalization, and normalization, which is also known as min-max scaling. Let's describe or discuss these two methodology in detail. First is standardization or the Z-score normalization. In this technique, the goal is to bring all the value of a particular feature to be centered around 0 with a unit standard deviation or the standard deviation of 1. So, if Z is the scaled value, then Z is calculated by x minus mu by sigma. So that is actually mu is the mean and sigma is the standard deviation. So the technique is to remove the mean value from the actual value and dividing it by the standard deviation to get the scaled value. As an alternative technique in the normalization or the min-max scaling, the goal is to rescale the data to a default range of 0 to 1. You can choose your range, but that is mostly the technique. And it is done via the mean value or max value and the max value of the feature. So, if Z is the scaled value, Z is calculated by x minus mean by max minus mean. Now let's see where we need to use the min-max scaling and where we need to use the standard scaling. Which one is better? So none of them is better. They are applicable to a specific use case. For example, in case of cluster analysis, if you want to measure the similarities between the feature, then you need to calculate the distance, right? Like some Euclidean distance between the feature value. And in that case, the standard scaling method is preferred. In case of PCA or the principal component analysis, the standardization scaling method is preferred because we are interested in a component which maximizes the variance. But you know, in case of sparse matrix, that means you have too many zero values in the data set. For example, your preference list in the Amazon database. So Amazon database is quite long and your preference is quite few. So if I make the preference list including all the items in the Amazon database, most of the items your preference will be 0. And for a very few of them your preference is having some value. So in that kind of data, the standardization technique is not preferred because it will impact the performance and the memory consumption as well. Now, where we are preferring the min-max scaling or the column level normalization. In case of image processing, where you need to find the RGB value between 0 to 255, then the pixel value is scaled using the min-max scaling method. In some neural network algorithm, the feature value is desired between 0 to 1. So then also the min-max scaling is used. Now in case of min-max scaling, it has a disadvantage of suppressing the outlier and over concentrating the feature value to a specific range of 0 to 1. So that is also a disadvantage of min max scaling. Please let me know if you have any other preference of using the standardization or the normalization method. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much.